If you're considering studying in Australia, some important changes are coming your way starting January 2025. Australia is introducing new measures to enhance the quality of education, prevent unethical practices, and strengthen the overall system for international students. First, why are these changes happening? Australia values the contributions of international students. These updates aim to ensure high-quality education, protect students, and maintain the integrity of the education system. Here are the key changes. New limits will be set on the number of students per institution. However, universities with adequate student housing can increase their caps. These changes take effect on January 1st, 2025. In terms of safety, schools facing issues or under investigation won't be able to admit new international students. New schools must demonstrate their educational quality before enrolling international students. There's also nearly $1 billion over 5 years allocated to the Leaving Violence program, providing support and legal aid for those fleeing domestic violence. Additionally, starting February 1st, 2025, a National Student Ombudsman will help students with complaints about their education providers. Starting November 1st, 2024, Indian graduates can live and work in Australia for 2 years under specific conditions. To ensure fairness, $18.3 million has been allocated to review migration rules. Efforts are also underway to educate foreign workers about their rights and prevent any misconduct. Visa policies are being updated, including a new visa for innovative ideas and simplified rules for certain job categories. So, what does this mean for you? These changes are designed to make your education in Australia better and more secure. You can continue applying to universities as usual until these new rules take effect. IDP is here to help you navigate these changes. With years of experience, we're committed to providing guidance and support throughout your journey, every step of the way. Stay connected with IDP for the latest news and support.